Meet the future of service desk operations with Akotis AI support solutions. Service desks today face constant pressure, handling high call volumes, resolving tickets faster, and improving customer satisfaction. But what if you could give your agents a helping hand? Introducing Akotis Voice Copilot and Agent Assist, your AI-powered companions designed to elevate service desk performance. Voice Copilot listens to live calls, interprets issues, and provides real-time recommendations. Empower your agents to solve problems faster, cut down handling times, and deliver exceptional customer experiences. Agent Assist supports in over 30 languages and gives agents quick access to contextual user information. It streamlines the ticketing process from creation to closure and automates service requests, all from one powerful app. With these AI solutions, organizations can reduce handling and ticket resolution times, resulting in significant cost savings and improved customer satisfaction. Transform your service desk operations with Akotis AI support solutions. Visit our website to learn more.
Engineering a smarter future together.